5G is here, or it isn't. Depends on which city you live. Surely guys, it will load your TikTok videos faster, and you will play your video games like you were near the server, and it will let your car drive on its own. At least that's what the commercials are saying. Welcome to the PodTech Talk, where we break down the technology that is making your lives better. I am Mehdi, your host for this new episode, and today I want to talk about 5G. What are the differences with 4G, what will bring us this new technology, and when are we supposed to have it here in Algeria? That's the discussion we'll face today in our episode. Therefore, guys, we jump off to another topic that is a controversial topic, and it's about Apple that is not including the power charger with their iPhones. So what is the reason behind it, and what can you do about it? Now that we are all set, let's start talking about 5G. So in order to understand, guys, how it actually works, let's first talk about how the cellular network or the cellular data works and gets into your phone. So let's say, for example, the service area of Algiers. It is divided into small groups or small areas called cells. So for example, Ben Aknoun or Shraga and Draria, let's call this as cells. So you guys, when you are using your cellular data, you are actually connected to your nearest cells when there is an antenna that sends you data through radio waves, and through that you get the internet or access to internet. Now the main difference between 3G, 4G and 5G, it is at the frequency of those radio waves. So higher the frequency grants the higher download speeds. So you guessed it, guys, 5G have higher frequency and has automatically higher download speeds and faster internet. However, the main drawback with using higher frequency radio waves is that it limits the range, and it often requires using multiple cells and multiple antennas in one cell. So if we go back to our example about Ben Aknoun, like in one cell, in one region, you have to put multiple antennas of 5G, multiple 5G antennas. And that's the reason why the deployment or the installation of 5G equipment are hard to deploy or hard to install for now. However, according to the giant Ericsson, by the end of 2025, almost 65% of the world's population will have access to 5G internet, and that is some encourages predictions. Let's suppose now that we are in 2025 or in 2030. What will bring us this new technology? What will bring us this 5G? So first thing first, it will improve our regular usage of internet. So for example, streaming, we will be able to watch videos in 8K, and even in playing, like we will play with no latency and with no required equipment with the advances in cloud computing. On the other hand, it will also opens a large variety of applications. For example, we could have autonomous vehicles, and also opens a large variety of applications in Internet of Things and all connected devices, for example, in smart buildings. Of course, all these are only promises for now. So let us know, guys, what you really think about 5G and what excites you the most about this new technology. As in every autumn, Apple got us used to a new product and a new iPhone, and this year does not the exception. We got the new iPhone 12 this week, and it's more expensive actually to the oldest and last year's iPhone 11. Apple adding $100 to the price, and it does actually comes with a set of new features. So for example, the OLED display, the upgraded camera, and also this new magnificent design that reminds us of the iPhone 5 and the iPhone 4. And the most important feature actually is the 5G and MagSafe connectivity. So if you're not familiar with MagSafe, guys, it's only magnets that are behind your iPhone that plug in or adjust the alignment of your phone with other accessories, like for example wireless chargers or cases or wallet. Many expected to get 90 Hz display or even more with their iPhones, but Apple did not consider that with their new phones for now. Now, the main discussion in this video is not about the iPhone itself, but it's mainly about what is included in the box with the iPhone. For the first time, Apple does not include any of the AirPod or any of the power charger with the iPhone. Citing environmental reasons, Apple said that it will reduce the consumption of the carbon by not making those accessories at the first place. In addition, they added that it will reduce the shipping cost because it will decrease the size of the box it comes in. On the other hand, Apple are recommending to use their power chargers, but the only way that you wouldn't need a power charger is only when you are coming from an iPhone 11 actually. Since the iPhone 12 comes with a cable, a Type-C lightning cable, and still guys, it reduces the number of production of power chargers, but it only encourages the users of iPhone 11 to come up to iPhone 12. But in case you're coming from an Android system or you have an older iPhone, you still have to buy a new power charger. Okay, so now even Samsung announced that they won't be including any of the power chargers and earpods in their products too, and some of their products. It won't be surprising that many of other companies follow the same strategy. So guys, I'm really curious to know about your thoughts. Do you really think it's for environmental reasons that Apple is not including the power charger or the AirPods in their box, or it's just that Apple doesn't want to waste much time and money on their accessories? Thank you guys for watching this first episode of the PodTech Talk. I hope you enjoyed it and got some new information. Hit the like button if you did, and catch you guys on the next one. Love.